Keep your indoor air fresh, dry, and comfortable all year round with this powerful solution. The best whole-home dehumidifier ensures optimal humidity control, preventing mold, odors, and dampness while protecting your furniture, electronics, and overall home environment. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. AprilAire Whole Home Dehumidifier. The AprilAire Whole Home Dehumidifier E070 Pro Bundle is a premium Energy Star certified unit designed for high-efficiency moisture control while consuming less power than conventional models. It removes up to 70 pints of moisture daily and can service spaces up to 2,800 square feet, making it ideal for basements, crawl spaces, garages, storage rooms, or larger living spaces. With smart sensing technology, it automatically begins dehumidifying whenever indoor humidity rises above the set level, giving you a true set-it-and-forget-it experience. The E070 Pro Bundle includes all necessary accessories such as a drain hose, 2 filters, risers, and standard parts, streamlining installation, and eliminating the need for messy water tray emptying. Just connect the hose or place it over a floor drain for continuous operation. Backed by a robust 5-year warranty and rigorous safety testing, the unit ensures long-lasting performance and customer confidence, further supported by AprilAire's reliable service team. Its durable build quality and thoughtful design protect furniture, electronics, and structural materials from moisture damage while preventing mold, mildew, and musty odors. Maintaining balanced indoor humidity also reduces allergens and respiratory irritants, promoting better overall air quality. AprilAire's Pro Bundle line is compatible with larger models such as the E080 Pro and E100 Pro. Not only safeguards your home's structural integrity, but also enhances day-to-day comfort for its occupants. This is an excellent investment for anyone seeking dependable, automated, and efficient whole-home dehumidification. Number 2. BEDRED Whole Home Dehumidifier. The BEDRED Whole Home Dehumidifier delivers an effective and stylish approach to moisture control using semiconductor technology with thermoelectric cooling to reduce humidity and improve air quality throughout your living space. Its intelligent auto shutoff feature stops operation when the water tank is full, ensuring safe, worry-free use and preventing overflow. A standout aesthetic element is its 7-color ambient lighting, which allows you to choose between calming or energizing tones to match your mood or decor, adding a unique touch to your environment. The integrated sleep mode automatically turns off the lights and reduces noise to whisper-quiet levels, creating an undisturbed atmosphere ideal for rest. Designed to blend seamlessly into a variety of spaces, whether it's a bedroom, living room, bathroom, basement, or even an RV, its sleek, compact footprint saves space while maintaining a modern look. Despite its small form, it efficiently tackles humidity issues that can lead to mold, mildew, and discomfort, helping preserve both health and property. The BEDRED Dehumidifier offers a convenient, portable option for those who value both performance and design, ensuring improved air comfort without compromising style. Its easy setup, combined with minimal maintenance requirements, makes it a practical choice for everyday use. Whether combating seasonal dampness or maintaining year-round freshness, this model excels at balancing indoor humidity levels while enhancing the overall feel of your space. Compact, stylish dehumidifier with thermoelectric cooling, auto shutoff, 7-color ambient lighting, sleep mode, whisper-quiet operation, ideal for various rooms and RVs, improves air quality and home comfort. Number 3. LEVOIT Whole Home Dehumidifier. The LEVOIT Whole Home Dehumidifier stands out for its impressive capacity and advanced technology, offering whole house hydration coverage for spaces up to 3,000 square feet with a large 6-gallon tank and a 1,500 milliliters per hour output. It rapidly distributes moisture evenly across your home while maintaining consistent humidity for up to 72 hours on a low setting. Equipped with upgraded evaporative technology, it ensures mist-free humidification, preventing white dust and protecting furniture from excess moisture. The exclusive premium filter effectively traps impurities without affecting performance, with a lifespan of over 3 months under normal use. Smart Scene Care technology offers automatic adjustments through Auto Home and Auto Away modes, while voice control integration provides hands-free convenience. For those sensitive to noise or light while sleeping, the sleep mode delivers near-silent operation at just 28 dB, alongside complete darkness for uninterrupted rest. The unit's evaporative method is also tap water friendly, reducing the need for distilled water. By balancing humidity levels, it supports a healthier indoor environment, alleviating dryness-related issues and preventing airborne irritants. With its sleek design, high coverage, and intelligent control, the LEVOIT whole home dehumidifier is an outstanding choice for modern households seeking effective and low-maintenance air comfort. Large 6-gallon tank covers 3,000 square feet, mist-free evaporative technology, smart auto modes, voice control, premium filter, ultra-quiet sleep mode, maintains consistent humidity for healthier indoor air. Number 4. AprilAire Whole Home Humidifier. This AprilAire Whole Home Humidifier is engineered for durability and performance, designed and manufactured in the USA by a pioneer in whole home air solutions. With full coverage for homes up to 3,600 square feet and a capacity of 12 gallons per day, it uses dual sensors to monitor both indoor humidity and outdoor temperature, automatically maintaining optimal humidity levels 24/7. Its digital control panel displays current humidity, system status, and service alerts, while a blower activation switch offers operational flexibility. Maintaining indoor humidity between 40% to 60% has been shown to reduce respiratory issues, allergies, and the spread of airborne pathogens, and this unit delivers those benefits consistently. By preventing dryness, it also safeguards wood furniture, flooring, and other materials from cracking or warping. Its straightforward installation and low maintenance make it suitable for homeowners seeking reliable humidity regulation without constant adjustments. As part of AprilAire's respected product line, it combines robust build quality, advanced automation, and health-oriented features into one dependable system. Designed in the USA, covers up to 3,600 square feet, dual sensors monitor humidity and temperature, automatic control, digital display, maintains ideal humidity for health, comfort, and home protection. Number 5. AprilAire 500M Whole Home Humidifier. The AprilAire 500M Whole Home Humidifier offers reliable manual humidity control for homes up to 3,600 square feet, delivering up to 12 gallons of moisture daily. Made in the USA by a leader in indoor air quality, it's built for longevity and performance. Unlike its automatic counterparts, the 500M features a single indoor humidity sensor for precise manual adjustment, giving users full control over their environment. Maintaining the ideal humidity range of 40% to 60% can help reduce respiratory issues, control allergens, and prevent damage to wood furnishings and other sensitive materials. Its compact design allows for flexible installation, while the straightforward controls ensure easy operation for any homeowner. By preserving consistent humidity, it enhances comfort during dry winter months and helps protect the home's structure and valuables. The 500M is an excellent choice for those who prefer hands-on control over their indoor air quality while benefiting from AprilAire's trusted engineering and durable construction. Manual control humidifier for up to 3,600 square feet, single sensor for precise humidity setting, reliable moisture delivery, protects furniture and health, built with durable USA craftsmanship. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.